American Eagle Harley-Davidson is Rolling Daytona, and we are on the final stretch for you to get into the dealership and register to win a brand new 2023 Harley-Davidson Street Glide ST, a Jesse James Bourbon Dean guitar, and many more prizes. I'm Jesse James Dupree, and I am proud to be partnered with the Harley-Davidson Motor Company, Eagle Rider Bike Rentals, Jesse James Bourbon, to give you a chance to win incredible prizes. And don't forget, on March the 11th, Saturday night, Jackal's going to be playing a free concert at Destination Daytona. We're going to roll this Harley-Davidson Street Glide out onto the stage. 10 lucky qualifiers going to be standing on stage with me. Whichever one's key unlocks the forks and starts it up, rides off on a brand new Harley-Davidson motorcycle. So we appreciate all of you guys participating in Rolling Daytona. Get out to the dealership today. Be sure to include the voucher number, and if you win the motorcycle, that'll get you a $1,000 bonus prize. Again, Rolling Daytona, Harley-Davidson.